How to use the CFPB the right way. The Consumer Financial Protection Bureau can be a powerful tool in credit repair, but only if you use it the right way. Most people either don't know it exists or think filing a complaint is a magic button for deletions. It's not, it's leverage, and it works best when you build your case first. Before you go to the CFPB, make sure you've already disputed directly with the credit bureaus and/or the furnisher, like a debt collector or bank. That way, you can show that you gave them a chance to fix the problem, and they didn't. Now here's the key. Don't make it emotional. Keep your complaint simple, clear, and factual. Point out exactly what's wrong, what law you believe is being violated, like FCRA or FDCPA, and what you've already done to fix it. For example, I disputed this account with all 3 credit bureaus and requested verification. They marked it as verified without providing documentation. This violates my rights under the FCRA. That sounds a lot better than, "These credit bureaus are ruining my life and won't help me." Once the complaint is submitted, the company has 15 days to respond. That pressure can lead to quicker corrections, or in some cases, deletions, especially when they know the CFPB is watching. But here's what you never want to do. File a complaint without a paper trail. If you haven't sent your own disputes yet, don't expect the CFPB to swoop in and fix it for you. The complaint is the closer, not the opener. Build your case, stay calm, and let the system work in your favor.